There you go.
Go.
That was cool. I feel like in the morning I can really get lost.
Yeah.
I was, but I came for a snack.
Well, she's panicking really fast for it.
It's alright, it's okay.
He said she was saying that.
I thought she saw something.
Ability. Somebody managed her anxiety.
I guess so, yeah.
Oh, hell no.
Well,
That's terrifying.
Well, shit.
Yeah.
that's so
Yeah,
cool.
alright.
Is she gonna explode?
Valid
I
reaction.
don't know if she's cut out for this.
Oh, this devil's different.
Hoping.
It's a time devil.
She's stressed. She's so stressed.
Direction devil.
Yeah.
Rennie is not okay.
What's going on?
Normal, but it's weird. Like I said, can't we just like?
Damn, I'm
Yeah,
fine.
can
Oh, so you can't. Okay, well that was my first
Oh,
one.
that's creepy.
Yeah.
Just
Scale
no time for a
This
shower.
TV gets
He's
me
about to
out.
walk up behind that girl and scare the crap out of her.
Yeah.
That's the first thing I do when I go.
Well, they
Kind of a
like,
boring
like,
design.
well, I mean, I've been meaning to catch up
The
on
hotel
mine.
room.
She just saw the movie.
Why are we yelling now? It's Aki.
Wow, she's losing it.
Let's just open the room. Ooh. Aki's nervous.
Oh, it's
Well, we better find this
specifically
devil
the
or
eighth.
whatever.
Not the 8th floor.
The 8 ball
Eighth
devil.
devil.
The
Potentially.
devil of 8.
Oh,
Maybe it's
titled Kill Denji.
413.
I don't know if 8 really
Or
has
it's like
anything
Kill
to do with
Bill.
this.
Rad.
But I guess we'll
It's just
find out.
Is there like a number 13
Yeah.
This is a different.
Like
Yeah.
for
Opening
people that are
sequence.
just like, is there a black cat
Who's
devil?
that guy?
Are we ever
Yeah,
gonna see?
for
Yeah, maybe we're gonna see
superstitious
Rashida
people.
again at some
I
The
point.
guy
remember
was sitting at the
Darlene
table and
one
looked like
It would have to be
like
either a
blonde hair.
flashback or a spiritual
Like, on the
moment.
We'll know
sidewalk
if it's the same
Denji or
sequence
something
if we
like
get
that.
the power.
The titty shot.
Yeah,
to like
shot.
avoid having a black cat.
Oh, and the
cross
weird
over.
Oh
shining
my
your
God.
Like, she
balls.
was that much
Alright,
into
man.
it, you know.
Black cat's
This
the
is
best.
interesting here. I wonder where we're going.
I love when it
with this
zooms
whole-
in on Denji on the leaf.
Time.
It's like
Now I'm
pixelated
specifically
as if
looking
it's
for
on like
definitely getting,
a 1080p camera.
I saw
that
like
they
chains.
zoom in.
Oh my
Yeah, yeah,
God.
they like
He's
took
the
a
Demon
like
Slayer with this show,
video,
bro.
one of those
With the
old school video
mansion.
cameras to the beach.
Who was in the mansion?
I'm waiting for some of
honestly,
the
at this
scenes
point,
from
the
this
whole
to appear in the
power,
show.
The drum
And none
demon
of them
is,
have.
is
And
on
the
much
mansion.
more healthier than
Which is like
Yeah.
switching rooms
Lots of
around
women
and
and
just
stuff
like
like that.
so
Like,
Wait, what
Because
kicked the
it
room?
is
Like,
possible
you
that
got,
this was
like,
just designed
attacked by the
for
ball
predators.
devil.
The boundaries, as fucked up as they are, they're
Let's
set.
see what the hell
There's the
happens.
anus
Both of them
demon,
respect them.
and
He didn't go
I feel
for
like that's gonna be a
force.
I just want to see more Denji and
Yeah,
power
respect with
moments.
her.
the one that's like a ring of
Three
force.
squeezes.
And then Aki there trying to like deal with them.
Yeah.
Like that
Who
looks
is
like
that
something
weird?
like that.
Fun together.
In the hat.
Bro, I love that part of the opening.
Let's
where
go.
They're both dancing. Aki
Please
just
don't
turns to the
kill
camera looking
Or
cool as
the
hell.
game.
Yeah, we kind of
It's the guy.
He's gonna be like,
I'm Team Denji.
He's in the back.
It is that smoking in the hotel.
Relax.
This is.
Kid noodles.
Oh wait, this takes place in '97. There is smoking.
8階の階段からどれだけ登っても降りても8から進むエレベーターはなぜか使えない部屋や窓からは外に出られない現状
So
は
we're just trapped in the Motel 6.
上も8から
Might as well have an
さっきの
orgy.
悪魔殺しちまったからじゃねえのか閉じ込める力を使ったまま死んだんだその悪魔が悪い
That's a good theory.
力は
Better
悪
than
魔
my
の死が
theories.
解除されるからそれはありえない
アキ君肉片の反応は
それは
Yeah, the
悪
gunmetal.
魔がなくなりました
さっきの悪魔のゆとりにマンガを褒められたってわけだこんなフリッキーなことしてくる悪魔
Wait.
初めてだね
でも俺たちが
Damn.
ここからずっと帰ってこなかったら他のゲリラハンターが助けに来てくれる
Power
the
still
other
just
ones?
このデ
glaring.
ビルハンターが私たちみたいにはめられないことを祈る
You're
し
gonna
かない
catch all
There's
the
just
devil
different devil
hunters.
hunters on every
On
floor.
On
of
every
this.
level, yeah.
ここで
Listen, you've been here
Oh
for
my
like
God.
20
Girl,
minutes.
get it together.
You've been here for like an hour.
Yeah, yeah.
That's what I was saying.
That's why you're a devil hunter?
Oh.
Oh.
シシエラにだけは大学に行かせたいからって
Oh.
So they sent you to fucking
So you had to get
kill
this
devils?
specific job.
Oh,
I was doing those too. You're just like working
Those
stuff
are
out.
the only two professions.
Oh, that's brutal.
She's not cut out for this.
I take it back. I feel bad for her.
Is she laughing?
You're so mean. You're so mean.
Oh, that's why she's like.
Jesus,
Isn't that weird? We're just hanging out with a devil right now. 2 of them.
You have to become a sex worker too, brother. You go to college is a weird one.
Yeah.
Brought this girl here.
Bro, she's laughing like Angelica.
Something bothers me. Yeah.
さっきから8時18分です
Sweetie.
Oh, there is a lot of
What's its
meat
obsession with
going
the
on
numbers?
here.
18分で止まっていました
Bro, if I was
must be
right about
very
the 8-ball
powerful.
devil,
They're trying to come.
then I'm the greatest motherfucking reactor out here in the motherfucking streets of the motherfucking reacting world.
No one's coming to help, bro.
Oh, I wonder if they eat
Oh.
I forgot about him.
See, that's my point.
What a positive message. I can go back to bed. Won't y'all die from like starvation?
Chopping shit off. Chopping through the walls.
Yeah, they're gonna have to sleep in shifts, but other than that.
Like his attitude.
See? It's called optimism, guys. Take notes.
This is exactly what I would do.
He's like the opposite of Kobe.
Devil napping their house.
He fell actually. Who falls asleep that fast?
Fuck, you can't
Yeah,
believe
like
it.
none of those. None of those
Yeah, I
actors.
think that might be it.
But it's been frozen in time so they don't get dirty.
Right.
That's what happens when you work hard.
デンジ君
Yeah.
デンジ君そろそろ起きて
Magic, huh?
I can't sleep
That's
with
for
the
bad situation.
Better not be no bullshit going on here. Why you all up on me?
から出られるようになったんすか
残念ながらまだ無理っぽいデンジ君が寝てる間に水と
They
電
found
池を
some.
使えること
Oh
が
wait,
で
that's
き
the
る
only stuff they had.
食べ物をハプテクが逃げるとき置いている
Oh, they got some guest
We got granola
snacks.
bars?
Funny theory.
A couple of them, yeah.
みんな参ってきてるんだよ
He's like, I'm
I'm
not.
sitting in a
He's
hotel.
running
ず
water.
ーっと悪
He
に
can
し
live
た
for a while off water.
少しは休んだらって言っても
Where's
聞いて
Aki's
くれな
like
い
shouldering all the
That boy
responsibility?
stuff.
ライブも女子こそ
Let him. He loves it. That's what I would say.
今は状況に怖がって部屋に閉じこもってる
Wow.
小紅ちゃんはおかしくなってトイレが
Oh,
Why is she drinking cold water? This thing still works.
I was gonna say they'll die of dehydration.
Well, there's no way to know.
You know what?
ノーベル賞を説明すれば人間はわしにひれ伏すじゃろうかその後はノーベル賞を振り返
What? How are you gonna win that?
The
Our
Prime
team of,
Minister?
like, hunters who are supposed
talking
to
in
be
your sleep?
good at their jobs, they fell apart fast.
100%
She has my vote.
I ain't with it. I don't fuck with the 100% sales tax idea. You don't got my vote.
She's always
I'll
like
go fourth hour.
He's like, ah, no, that's just touch.
Well, I think it
Something
would be one of
sketchy
those
up.
things where
Is
she'd
it
be-
one of you
she'd be
six
all in
that
on
are,
the
like,
idea, and then
doing
she'd
some
drop it,
bullshit?
like a second later. You know what I mean? Like,
It's so weird that they could just like look at him from the other.
He's got cigarettes. That's fun.
What are they gonna do when they run out of
最
cigarettes?
後のタバコ
Good.
今は落ち着いててつまらん
Maybe this was just all to get you to stop
今
smoking.
頑張ってるから私はゆっくり休んでていいのあとニコチンの力
Wild Raven.
生産できるものがあるといいよね何かに寄りかかっていきたい人生ですよ
Here,
Have they
here.
tried lighting? That would be my first
I'm
attempt.
all out of water.
burn it all.
Sorry.
そりゃあきくんにタバコの味教えたのな私だもん
Okay. So you guys both
Okay.
smoke.
His master. He was my.
あきくんは
Joe
Oh, it's a
Camel.
flashback. I was like, how'd they get outside?
Oh, okay.
You corrupted him then.
Oh,
It's also
made him get helplessly addicted to tobacco.
So I got
Taking that clock is really successful.
It's still wild to go look back and see like how they had like doctors promoting cigarettes
Yeah.
like way back when.
Like, have it when you're
It
pregnant.
was like 9 out of 10 doctors recommend this cigarette.
こんだけ
What
重
the
要
fuck?
な肉片がされてるんだね
Well,
Plus
the
the gun devil is
propaganda.
what did in
判明なんだからちっちゃい
his brother, right? So that
Yeah,
makes sense.
exactly. Why must I do it?
そうしてねバディを死ぬのは面倒だからさ
He saw
You know, 6 times. Damn.
Yeah,
Oh.
yeah.
Why?
Or maybe
Just got
she.
slapped.
Did you try to touch her or something? Why'd you get slapped at?
これが前の
Oh.
Oh.
新型バディに戻って比べる
The fact that you're used to getting hit like
と
that.
悪魔に仕返しできる力がないから私に当たる
Oh.
そういうの
fucked up.
レベル感
You should have had his
People always
back
gotta
and he
blame somebody.
died.
してるけど
Sometimes there's no one to blame.
Sad.
Shit just
Oh,
happens.
is he gonna go talk to her?
Is he gonna go punch her?
Punch her in the back of the head.
He's gonna go suck her punch.
What? Oh, he's gonna slap her back?
If they really
並べた
showed
や
it,
つの
we'd
服
do
に
it.
こっそりガムつけてあった
Oh!
Like payback?
That's so sweet.
The ultimate retaliation.
Very sweet.
Put some
So
sticky
putting gum
orbit
on
on
her.
her.
Revenge.
Gum.
I mean,
Honestly,
she did lose her boyfriend.
yeah, that might get in her hair. She might have to get a new haircut.
He really stuck it to
That'll
her.
teach her.
That seems so like childish and petty.
Chewing her out.
I got her to laugh though. So this is probably when they started bonding.
Aki's the gum devil.
That woman who's grieving because her boyfriend just died. Yeah, I put gum in her clothes.
All you guys were bonding over some ramen.
And when did you get him to start smoking?
Oh, James would be proud.
Pretty sure that's not ramen.
Wow.
I like the background music of the show.
Oh my gosh!
Just takes one to get
helplessly
Let's like
addicted.
all those old
And it's also
commercials.
not that bad, but it's mostly
I
bad for
don't
your
fuck with you,
lungs.
man.
Lungs in your heart,
You got him into smoking. That's messed up.
He's gone with both.
I know.
Decided
like
bones.
in your brain.
Aki, don't give it to
fall
peer
Peer
pressure. You don't seem
pressure.
like you're
It's a
type.
terrible thing.
He's just decided
Bro,
bones.
Makes us-
smoking is disgusting.
Yeah, makes you do
There's no
dumb
such thing as just one.
That's what they all say.
You have a chill.
Nope.
Give him a drag.
Today's the day you quit, Aki.
He's like, I need it. I need to take the edge off.
Go like the telephone. I called it.
Okay.
Aki found a way to win.
So do they have a thing?
It kind of seems like
Felt like it a little.
like if it never developed, there's like some tension there, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
But then he still acts a little weird muscular too. So
Oh!
something's happening. Get out there and figure out what the fuck it is. Check your little bullet.
Can't be that big.
Power, go do your thing. Oh, this might be a Disney job.
Big guy.
Oh, wait, like.
Here's the thing. Holy shit.
What the fuck is happening here, bro?
Nobody wants your contract. It's weird and gross looking.
What? Can you have multiple contracts or multiple devils?
Why do you want him?
Probably wants the power.
You're doing the bidding of the gun devil. Like,
You're not gonna get his chainsaw and you're not gonna get poached him.
That's funny.
Then he's sleeping.
Chainsaw
Dreaming
out.
this. It's a nightmare.
Who's there?
Who the hell?
Oh, y'all are just gonna have more panic attacks.
Oh no.
Oh, wait.
Oh, it's gonna be what's her face?
we
She
ain't doing
Koboni?
this.
She's probably gonna be like, take
We
it.
ain't doing this.
Yeah,
Huh.
Oh my gosh!
Come on,
I
girl.
figured. Well, you're not gonna do it.
Down, that better be to eat a cake or a slice of cake.
Oh, she's actually trying.
Oh, she's trying to get him, right?
Yeah.
Motherfucker kicked the blade. Ooh,
I mean,
fuck
that's
you,
kind of what you
bitch.
fucking get.
Don't come at the protagonist.
Shouldn't be at this job. It's not suited.
Well, all right
Stop trying to
then.
sacrifice your friends.
I mean, they just did, but still. Co-worker.
Box devil?
Do it!
Okay, let's see.
get in there though.
Is that working?
What the fuck is the fox devil doing?
Denji, you're gonna have to do your thing.
Where is he?
It's like the Shikigami in Jujutsu Kaisen. Like makes a hand gesture.
Ooh, is that
Better look at the ghost devil.
Now what's the price?
Damn, ain't no slow. Oh, no.
Right, right.
Oh,
That was like,
Don't you have to do it continuously or no?
or was it just kind of like, hey, should I take your eyes?
no. Oh, no, it makes it bigger.
Put power up next, see what happens. I feel like Denji will be at the
Said it
end.
out loud.
Oh, this is the stomach. No weaknesses on this 8th floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe Denji can be like, yes, go inside and then cut his way out from the inside once I let him know.
Ends up dying. Oh,
Okay, this guy too now.
powerful, dude.
Go back and have your panic attack in like the room.
But then
Why
that
is so
devil
everyone's
has,
so
like,
quick to be like, yes,
Because
listen to
they're
the
like
devil.
devil half breeds. That's why him and Power gotta stick together.
Go in.
We need Denji.
Because he's strong.
Denji can turn into a chainsaw. I completely
That's what I
forgot.
feel like.
Alright, listen to the leader.
The gun devil. I feel like this one works for the gun devil.
Power? She was like, can we kill him?
In my mind, this makes me feel like the gun devil's scared of like his potential. Because people could fear the chainsaw.
Interesting. Okay, I'm learning a lot of rules here. Facts.
Baby.
Let's go.
Aw, you think he's not one?
It's literally the devil. It's like we only kill devils, but he has the fox devil.
Power out.
I actually love their relationship.
Yeah, but
She understands.
he's like, we don't accept contracts with devils. So I have one, and she has one. But other than those two contracts,
Maybe it's a translation thing.
Turning into a chainsaw.
maybe.
What if Denji turns into a chainsaw?
But let Denji like walk into its
If this is
mouth.
his stomach, can you just start fucking cutting the
plan is
walls?
for
And
Denji
then
to
he
turn
can
into a
chainsaw
chainsaw.
once he's inside the
Effective.
mouth.
Like said, you gotta find his heart.
Because he will have been eaten, but he
Hear
can't.
what its
Great.
heartbeat.
A sword.
Oh, something we don't know.
There's a reason it wasn't called Texas Sword Massacre. Chainsaw! Fuck off. I don't
What
want
contract does he have with something else? That girl.
Oh, it's definitely Power.
Oh, the Nutri-Cream
I
bars.
bet. Is she? Cause she already tried to drink. Oh, power!
She's
I
hungry.
don't want to buy the chain.
Oh no, look at her, look at her.
I'm not feeling your
You
wrath.
actually?
Oh my gosh.
What?
He needs to calm down.
Shorty losing his mind.
Can you even consider yourself
She
one?
wasn't ready for this.
How did she get this job? Yeah.
He's spicy.
We got trainers already? The show just started. I can't do all
Oh my
this.
god! It's a cop the fuck out. Oh, it's getting stronger
Why are
because
y'all
of it.
shears?
Christ, Benny.
Oh, why is it all of a sudden?
Look what y'all did. Big chaotic corner.
How the show is so silent and it breaks into this action with this fast-paced music. I love that.
Did she stab him? He was on the ground.
I will grow as your fear grows.
Fucking don't be afraid.
Benny needs to be
fucked
fine
up.
immediately.
I would be
Yes.
quickly.
Don't dread anything.
Dear devil.
Killed.
That means the fucking gun devil has other devils working for it, trying to kill.
The eternity one.
That would explain why they're stuck in this movie. This fucking feels like Inception. Things look like they're flipping.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Oh, damn. I hope you had a good security deposit.
shit.
Oh, god damn.
Whoa!
I swear, just like jump into him and then like as a chainsaw, or as a chainsaw man, and just like rip him to shreds from the inside out.
I'm not gonna lie. I don't fault them for thinking this way.
Okay, what is the sword?
What the hell are you doing?
Oh, will it kill him? And like she doesn't want him.
Yeah,
She doesn't want to lose somebody else. Yeah.
What is?
Pact is one that takes a lot of years.
Oh, so he did make another. Okay,
What? So he can't use that?
Hey.
you're just in love with him.
No!
To the windows!
Denji, well you better get out of this. The power just looks the chaos. Oh my god.
Chainsaw Man activate!
Oh, he fought through it. Oh! Did you just stab Aki? What's that?
No, 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 no.
Hayakawa.
It's like, what's gonna take more years off my fucking life, that or this?
I know, when she stabs me, kills me.
Bitch.
He'll be fine, probably. Hopefully.
Yeah.
But
This ain't
But like,
happening.
this is your doing.
Yeah.
Unless it's like fucking, like a fuck ton of years.
I mean, she doesn't want to lose another partner.
Yeah, but I feel like she has a thing for him.
Maybe he's not gonna die from it.
Yeah. Yeah, and honestly, Genji
This
and
stab
like
isn't gonna
Power,
kill you,
they're
right?
not scared of it. They're kind
better
of
not.
thing.
Aw, okay.
Aw.
Aw, dang.
Look at this dude. Let's
Little
go.
brother, get it.
Let's go,
How many
Maki.
he is?
Oh, yeah.
Can she eat the blood and make her powerful?
Can you at least try?
Come on, pal.
Can you try?
Challenges are meant to be embraced. Let's say we're even now because you spit on me in an alleyway.
She's just like in shock. She's like thinking about all the other fucking partners.
She's had a lot of dead
No,
partners.
you're not losing another.
Which, are they still
losing
technically
another partner.
partners if he has like the other two now?
I guess she's like Jedi Master and like.
The Eternity Devil just let them have this moment.
Holding the bloody knife.
Oh, someone fucking punched her in the head.
You're the one that fucking
Showed
stabbed
like
them.
amazing restraint, I'd say.
Just do it and go fucking chainsaw.
I've had to eat Wonder Bread for a whole
You're the one that
decade. He's
invented
had
all
it
of
worse
our.
than
Use
this.
this sword thing.
Oh, he's gonna let it eat him, but then he's gonna explode out of it. So it's
wanna
trying to
raise.
contract work.
Schmooch touch. Oh, it's gonna hurt? That's why you were reluctant to do it?
Eat this bitch.
Maxima was saying like stuff like that. In that episode in the car.
Smart.
Oh yeah, it said it would eat his body too.
Oh yeah. It's a bitch. He's a little bitch. He's a
Yeah,
big
there
little
you
bitch.
go.
Lady Devil, so it feels everything forever.
Nice.
Let's do it up. Let's go. Very devilish
Hey.
idea. Prove Aki right.
So big that it
Show what
breaks
you're made
out
of.
the floor, like out of the
Aw. He took a knife for you. It's your friend. They all haven't seen him do this yet, the other ones, right?
Let's go. Let's see it.
Come on, Chainsaw.
It's gonna end. I can already tell.
Denji, what did
The,
you just go
this
into?
devil's
Till
card
next
design
week.
is
Yeah.
All right, let's see this one. Yeah, outro,
Okay, this is
ending.
the outro.
That's the end of the episode.
Still, we have the same kind of design going on.
Damn.
Reminds me of like in Squid Game stuff.
That was great.
Yeah, like it.
I like it makes more sense knowing it's
Yeah, I agree.
That is just a veiny ass.
Okay, well, I guess I gotta watch another one.
Yeah.
I can't even do that.
Yeah.
This one was really similar to the last
Yeah.
one.
I felt like
Power in the cat.
Oh, okay. I thought it was
yeah,
Power
it's
and
great.
Denji for a second. I'm like, oh, what are they teasing?
and I love
Okay, so we're dealing with the Infinity
But,
Devil.
sword.